So I uploaded this video of this hairstyle as a YouTube short, and right now it's over half a million views. So I thought it wise to recreate a detailed tutorial video of it, and this is it. So to achieve this C curve part, I just go ahead and part the hair into two equal parts. Then I do the slanty line like you saw me doing, and it just automatically gives the C curve. And here I am splitting it around the ear area because I want to do a crisscross style there. So this is the viral hairstyle video. So at this point we go ahead and start braiding. So to create the brick design, we just go ahead and part the hair into two like this and add some gel. And after smoothing everything down like this, we are going to be using the tail of our comb. You take a portion, you skip, take another portion, then you put the other hair under, just like that. Do you see that? So we are going to keep repeating the same method. You take the hair like this. So guys, this is just what we are going to be doing till we get to the end of it all. Yes, so if you watch this far and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, hey, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We are making the world a better place in our own little way. Yes, and my partnership is open if you're interested or to learn any hairstyle like one-on-one videos. Then you go ahead and join my partnership and I'll be glad to have you. So we just keep on parting like this, and at this point I'm just going to slick everything down with my comb and also with the help of my finger.